We're given the exponential question 3 raised to power x plus 2 equals to 36. So we have to look for the value of x. So the first thing we're going to do, so 3 raised to power x plus 2 equals, we're going to split this into 2. We're going to be writing 9 multiplied by 4. So 9 multiplied by 4 gives us 36. So now 3 raised to power x plus 2 equals, we can write this in indices form, which is 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by, and this 4 can also be written in indices form, which is 2 raised to power 2. So the next thing we're going to do is to divide both sides of the equation by 3 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power x plus 2 divided by 3 raised to power 2 equals 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 divided by 3 raised to power 2. So we'll be left with 3 raised to power x plus 2 divided by 3 raised to power 2 equals 2 raised to power 2. Equals 2 raised to power 2. So now next we're going to be doing is looking at this right here. 3 raised to power x plus 2 over 3 raised to power 2 can also be written as 3 from the rule of indices. When we have something like a raised to power b over a raised to power c, so our answer will be a raised to power b minus c. So that will be our answer, a raised to power b minus. So we can write this as 3 raised to power x plus 2 minus 2, which is equal to 2 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power, so we left with 3 raised to power x plus 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is what, 0. So we left with x raised to power 3 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 2. So next what we're going to do is to add both sides by log. Add log to both sides. So add log to both sides. So log 2 raised to power x equals to log 2 raised to power 2. When we have something like log, if we're giving something like, let me write it up here. If we're giving something like log a raised to power b, so log a raised to power b equals to b log a. So by giving this format, so log 3 raised to power x will be equals to x log 3, following this rule, one of the rule of logarithm. So x log 3 equals to, same thing applies to this, log 2 raised to power 2 equals to 2 log 2. So x, right now, x equals to, I'm going to divide both sides by log 3, so x equals to 2 log 2 divided by log 3. So from our calculator, our log 2 equals to 2 multiplied by, log 2 is 0.301. Let me put it in 2 decimal places. So divided by our log 3 is what? 0.4771. So our x equals to, so 2 multiplied by log 2 equals 0.6020 divided by log 3, which is 0.4771. So when we divide 0.6020 divided by 0.4771, we get 1.26. So our x equals 1.2618. So our x equals to 1.26. So that is the answer to the question.
Subscribe and like.